All right, guys, time for another video here. Update. First, we're going to update you here at the Drake. You got to see what they're doing here with this paint job. Check it out.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
What do you think about it, Frank? Looking good, right?
Oh, nice, yes.
Are you feeling better after your run?
Yeah.
You recovered?
Yeah.
All right.
Fully recovered.
Fully recovered. It's only been a couple days. Frank was a little sore the first day, but yeah, these guys are going to town. They are doing a good job painting here. Got our sign moved up here, of course, a little higher and further out towards the road. They are doing a very good job. Now the hard part's up here at the top. All the way across. They're about halfway down, midway here. They've done a good job today. This was the hard part, painting all these human rims. Our neighbor here went ahead and said, yeah, go ahead and paint my place too, make it look good. So we did that, and they got that dark trim. That was a tedious job, painting all that metal, all those bars. It's not quite done. What do you think about it?
Oh, honey, it's looking beautiful.
Yeah,
love it.
Getting a facelift of the Drake here.
Yeah, it's about time.
Yeah, we needed that for a while. So, yep, it's looking good. Oh yeah, this is coming along good, guys. This gentleman's trimming up the trim work here on the brown. This used to be red, if you didn't notice it yesterday's video. It's starting to sprinkle on me a little bit here. The Boba King over here is getting the same kind of paint job, getting rid of that yellow. Roji's yelling for a trike. Yeah, coming along good. Starting to rain. Oh, we're ready to go? All right, let's go. We're heading over. Check out the progress today. Every day is another adventure. Let's get in the trike and roll. Smash.
Yeah, we're good.
Envy. Off to the Envy. Trike adventure. There we go.
We're gonna have a trike line.
You're gonna have a what?
A trike line services.
Trike line service.
Yes. Color and whiten.
Oh!
Too small.
Don't be right. Busy out here. Sorry for the wind noise. I know you're getting it. Walk-in street coffee's location from the Drake is going to take us every bit of 8 minutes with traffic. So they're doing some construction here, ripping this place up, building it up. I don't know. It's starting to rain now.
Yeah, it's
A little harder. Wet, which I'm fine with. I'd rather be a little wet with this opening than
It's very
all hot. Yeah, it's hot, man. It turned summertime in no time here.
Yeah.
It got hot the last couple days. The old candy bar. Usual suspects over there. Some of our customers from the coffees in the Drake Hotel over at the candy bar. Trike's got a little bit of a pull. Every time he guns it, pulls to the right. A little off balance or something. Hopefully we don't detach. Hopefully the trike don't detach from the bike. We go roll. We're turning into vegetable stand.
Yeah, as a fryer sometimes.
Oops.
Wow.
PJ said you're gonna stop no matter what. Weeds.
It's really cool now.
Yeah, the rain cooled it off a lot.
Yeah.
Alright, here we're coming to the slow spot. Alright. The Eurotel here. And we are about there. Let's see how congested we get past this intersection. How congested it is up here. We might be able to fly right through here. You never know.
You never know.
Oh, little stoppage. Going around. Nope. He's thinking about it for a minute there.
Yeah, but we have a directing traffic.
Oh, we got a little traffic director here giving us some stoppage.
Because people, they don't make an opening for people to turn.
Yeah, they don't let them go.
Yeah, that's really cool.
We got to have our traffic director here telling us what's for. My guy's gonna go anyway, it looks like. He said, go. Oh, you're free. Free to go. Free to go. How you do it, guys? You riding whatever opening you get here until you get blocked like that. Oh, he's gonna park. I thought he ran out of space to ride, so he just stopped. He says, I meant to do that. This here's Pickpocket Central right here where this guy's at. You hold on to your phones here. This is the phone. This is where you lose your phone, in that little spot right back there.
You put this and then you're going to lose your camera instead.
Nah, I got a good grip on it. Somebody grabs my camera, I'd be out of here in a flash. You've never seen a guy get out of a trike so quick.
And you never see Mercy running like a marathon.
Yeah, right.
Grabbing that guy.
The abandoned Margarita Station, old building. I don't know if anybody's ever gonna take that place over again. All right, we're almost there, guys. Little traffic delay. Looks like it's free rolling now. Yep. Yeah, some of these buildings are for rent right here. These guys up in here. Yeah. There's some rental space. Little ways off the street, but prime property. Hey! Squeeze it through. Oh, we got it. Freak, got a hole here. Got it. Here, guys. Go see what it looks like. All right, guys, we're over here at Poppy's. We got some important updates for you. So from the last video, it doesn't look a whole lot different, except we got our tables all lined up here, spacing everything out. Of course, the sign, you saw that before. And everything's pretty much where it's at, except I got my music. We got music now, which I don't have turned up because I don't want to get copyrighted. But our music's working, CCTV's all done, kitchen's almost done. But the big news today is we're going to actually tell you when we're going to open. So it's going to be April 1st, 10 a.m. Officially going to open over here on Walking Street. You might show up and we won't be open, but it's April Fool's Day, so I wouldn't do that to you. April 1st, 10 a.m. Open it up over here on Walking Street. Officially, whether we're ready or not, we're going to open. Whether it's ready or not. So we're all good. Got the green light from everybody that matters, and we're going for it.
Ready or not, bring your pesos.
Yeah, ready or not, bring all your pesos. And like I said, we have a firm commitment to fatten all these girls up there on Walking Street, and it's for you guys' benefits.
Some of the guys be coming up to me and say, "Hey Drake, the Walking Street bar is way too much." I say, "I got you covered. We're gonna come in here, eat our food. We're gonna fatten these girls up. The stock market is gonna crash here on Walking Street. You can thank us later."
Oh my gosh, yeah. Thank us later for that, guys. So that's our goal, fatten up everybody here on Walking Street. Not just the girls, but we want them to eat here too. But yeah, we got some, I'll show you a menu. I'll pop it up on the screen.
Go ahead and post the menu on the Street Eats Facebook page.
We'll
on
post
Olive's Facebook page.
Yeah, we'll post the menu there too, but I'll show you right here as I'm talking. Flip it up on the screen. You can pause it if you want. You'll see what's going on with the menu, what we're going to offer. Basically, that's it. The bar, I got this beer chiller all done. I got some pictures today. I'll be doing a video on the custom-made beer chiller that we're doing.
Looking nice.
It's looking good, looking sharp. I'm highly impressed with that. And we got people walking by, waving at me while I'm videoing. And yeah, we got some actually a really nice beer chiller. This guy's first time, but we'll see. It's coming out good. I'll show you the finished product, and I'll put his information up for you guys. Anybody out there in town here, or basically in town here, he might ship one to the States for you if you want, but that'd be quite costly. But he's got a nice example of a beer chiller for you if you want one for your back porch area, your house, or in your own bar. This guy's doing a great job. We'll show you that here soon. All right, so any final words here, Drake? What do you think?
I'm excited.
Excited for everybody.
I can't wait for you guys to come, try it, check it out.
Yep.
I'm still anxious to see some of these finishing touches fall into place, but
got a little tidying up to
we are
do.
about 97% there.
We could open at 97%. Do you know it?
Yes.
It's that extra 3%.
That extra 3 we need.
Matters.
Perfectionists.
Those extra 3 inches is what matters.
That's the extra 3. Don't go short on it. All right, guys, that's it for the video. Just a small update.
Yes. Getting closer, friends.
Just a few days away. Come and see us. Have a great time. Have a great afternoon, morning, evening, whatever time
Wherever
it is
you
where you're
are.
watching us at. And come and see us down here at Poppy's Street Eats and Poppy's Bar and Chill in the Drake Hotel. You don't have to wait till we open here to have Poppy's food. Go to the Drake Hotel and you got it. All right, guys. See you on the next video.
See ya.